Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate your OOREDOO eSIM. First, if you're using iPhone, make sure your device is running on iOS 12.1 or newer. If you're using Android, ensure that your device runs on the latest Android 11 or newer. Okay, so for iPhone you want to go to settings and then you want to go to cellular, click on that option, and then click on add cellular plan and a camera screen will open up. Just want to go ahead and scan the QR code that you have been provided. And then a pop-up will appear. You just go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions. Okay, if you're using Android, go to the settings on your Android device and then go ahead and click on connections. And then tap on SIM card manager. Then I just want you to go ahead and click on add mobile plan and just select scan carrier QR code. Just scan the QR code and enter the confirmation code if you're prompted to do that, and follow along with the instructions. Really that easy and simple, right? So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.